Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen, the Ugonas family. Here in this video I'm going to prepare a popular soup known as seed. This soup is very popular in Kogi state. In Kogi, this seed is called Gorigo seed in Nigeria, in Igala land. So my encounter with this seed in a local shop here in Malaysia sparked my curiosity, leading me to purchase it and create a traditional delicacy, my Gorigo soup. So first of all, what I will do is to make sure I fry it. You can see I've heat my pan on the fire, so I'm going to fry it a little bit. As I'm transferring it to my pan, I'll make sure that it's heated and make sure that every seed here, when they say even if your seed is small as a mustard seed, this one is more than a mustard seed. So yes, I have to turn it. As I'm stirring this, I'll make sure that the heat is not much, and I'll make sure that there's no kind of burning. I have to reduce it to the lowest. Then I have to stir till I get a kind of brownish color. You can see it's still white. This seed, this is one of the most richest in protein, and in fact when you see this seed after preparing the soup, you have to bet that it's not a goosey soup. This is the seed. You have to fry because some people may decide to use it raw this way and just go ahead to blend it, but some will first of all have a little fry. This frying, you can consume this seed after you might have finished frying. You can decide to eat it like this with a granite. You can decide to eat it with melt it with some sugar to stick together. I remember when we used to come back from school, we normally branch to buy the kind of one naira Gorigo candy. This is that. When I saw it in the shop, I was like, oh, this is one of my snacks those days. And I like this soup. When you come to Igala land, they don't joke with this soup. They normally use it to eat swallow, no, as maybe the amala. As you can see, our seed is turning brown. Now we are getting close to what we really want. This is it, guys. Can you see the color? Make sure your temperature is not high. Make sure that this is not high. So what we will need to do now is to transfer it into our blender. Yes, while doing this, you have to be careful, because when this is splash, it will scatter. Now we include our crayfish, our pepper, our onions into the blender. The next is to blend to your smooth consistency. You can see it, guys. See, our soup is ready on a killer day. Our soup is ready. Gorigo soup, a beloved dish among the Igala people, is a flavorful and appetizing soup that holds a special place in their culinary heritage, often mistaken for a goosey or melon soup. This dish stands out for its exceptional taste and simplicity and in preparation. This video showcases the process of preparing the Gorigo soup, a dish that pairs perfectly with various swallows like fufu and amala, are commonly enjoyed in Kogi state. Additionally, it complements dishes like hafa soup and suji, akpu, and the rest, making it versatile addition to any meal. So just join me in celebrating the rich flavors and cultural significance of Gorigo soup. Don't miss out on this opportunity to explore a unique experience and engage with the vibrant food culture of the Igala people. Mind you, I'm an Igbo, I'm not Igala. Yes, but I grew up in Kogi state. So just what you will do, if you love what you are seeing, just share, like. Let's make this video a sensational with millions of views and engagement. Yes, you can see my soup is ready. I'm downloading this with suji. Let's celebrate that. Let's celebrate diversity through food and invite others to savor the taste of our Gorigo soup. Come and join me. You can come with your fufu, gari, amala. For me, I'm making use of suji. Yummy, yeah. You can see, unless somebody tell you that this is egusi soup, that is when you will believe the person. But mind you, this is bene seed, not egusi soup. This is Gorigo soup, bene seed. You can Google it to know what bene seed is. Yes, you can. I can see my chicken. I can use this as an appetizer. So thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this and do well to share, do well to like, do well to comment. Let everybody come and join.